everybody, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I want to show you how I made these delicious and amazing brown butter chocolate chip cookies. Honestly, these are so good. I ended up using these morsels, which is chocolate, peanut butter, and caramel. To start with, we need to add 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks, to a pan, and on medium heat we're going to cook this until it gets brown. Do not burn it. Once it gets like this, turn off the heat, set this to the side, and let it cool. And in here I'm going to be adding my flour, baking powder, and salt. I will have all the ingredients down in the description box so you can take a look at that. And I'm going to whisk that together. In this bowl, I'm going to be adding my regular sugar and my brown sugar. And once the brown butter has cooled, I'm going to add that in and whisk this well. And now with the spoon, I'm just going to bring it together. Making sure it's well incorporated. And I'm going to start adding the eggs. The eggs must be room temperature. And the vanilla. I'm going to give this another whisk. And once it's looking like that, adding in the flour. And incorporate this all together. And this is just a super simple, easy recipe. So if you see that it is still on the wet side, go ahead and add a little bit more flour. And this is the way it should look. And after that goes in, you can add, like I said, I used this box of morsels, this bag of morsels, but you can put chocolate chips, semi-chocolate chips, that'll work too. Now, I'm going to be adding this onto my baking sheet. And on top, I'm going to be adding a chocolate chunk on each. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees also. In the oven they go, and once they come out of the oven, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm going to top it off with more of those morsels. And let these cool completely. And these are all done. Enjoy this with a glass of milk. Oh, so delicious. I hope you enjoyed my recipe, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye.